To assemble. Destroyer. Ready. Now we need to fill it. Destroyer. Hooray! Let's destroy dilapidated constructions. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Choose the next game. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Don't stop. Hooray! Help the car reach its destination. Let's pull down the lever to complete the action and clear the road. Pull the lever down to lower it. Don't stop. Let's remove trash. Fix the vehicle. Let's go. The bridge is raised so that ships can pass under it. Choose the next game. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Keep it up. Hooray! Now we need to fill it. Bulldozer. That's all. We will prepare the site and dig a pit. Let's go. The light is red. Let's stop in front of an intersection. Choose the next game. Let's wash. Bulldozer. Don't stop. Assemble. Dumper. Keep up the good work. Help the car reach its destination. Tap on all the objects to clear the way. Move the part to its place. Done! Make a gravel pad in waterproofing. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Choose the next game. Let's wash. Dumper. Keep it up. Have to assemble. Pipe layer. We did it! Now we need to fill it. Pipe layer. That's all. Let's put in reinforcements and communications. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The bridge is raised so that ships can pass under it. Choose the next game. Let's wash. Pipe layer. Keep up the good work. You're doing really great. Build your own vehicle park. That's all. First, we need to assemble concrete pump. Hooray! Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Tap on the tool that will help remove the obstacle. Tap on a suitable tool. You're doing really great. Pour concrete for a foundation. vehicle. Let's go. The light is red. Let's stop in front of an intersection. Choose the next game. We need to wash. Concrete pump.